Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see YouTube are showing you this content isn't available. Try again later. YouTube problem. In this video, we will see permanently fix this problem if you are facing this one. It's very easy and simple process. How to fix this problem? Let's come to my laptop. So as a live demonstration point of view, I will show you the problem. I just simply open here YouTube and I play here randomly my personal video and I am receiving this error. Look at this here. This content isn't available. Try again later. So I refresh and then again sometimes the video is a play and I'm facing a lot of problem and other for you how to fix this problem. Let's see. I just simply enter here the Chrome browser. You should apply the Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge web browser as well. Just simply click here three dots here help and you just simply enter here about Google Chrome. If you click here, so look at this here, nearly up to date, relaunch Google Chrome and finish updating. Previously I'm facing this problem and you should update your Google Chrome latest updated if it is you are not updating. So most of time this problem is come. So I already update this one and I just simply click here relaunch, and after updating the Google Chrome I just simply relaunch this Chrome. Wait a couple of seconds to complete this process. Okay, this is the step number one. Next step, you just simply enter Google Chrome extension page. I already added this link in video description. You click and come to the directly here. So meantime, how many extension you are next point, you should enter here Google Chrome Web Store. Second thing, how many extension you install first of all in your extension, you should check this one. So I just simply install here three of the extension. You can copy one by one and paste here in the Google Chrome extension. If you click here, so here if it is update is showing, so here update option is coming. If it is not showing, simply remove this one. Okay, remove and again add this extension. No need to uninstall directly. So again this extension, all extension you should do this one, remove and uninstall, and afterwards again I go back here in my YouTube channel. Again I just simply come to the here YouTube and type here my channel name Research Rock and play here one of my video and boom, I'm able to access this video. Now my problem is fixed. You should apply the same tips and tricks and definitely your problem also fix using this process. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.